Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour With AI. Regulatory pressure is intensifying across the digital assets sector as Delaware lawmakers advance HB 441 to ban cryptocurrency kiosks. The legislation cites exorbitant fees reaching 20% and mounting FBI fraud data as primary drivers for the crackdown. This legislative move coincides with Bitcoin trading at $62,172, reflecting broader market anxiety over compliance risks. The CoinDesk 20 index mirrored this sentiment, plunging 1.4% to 1,663.81 on June 10, 2026. Every constituent in the index fell, with Near Protocol and Bitcoin Cash leading the decline. Investors are now weighing the immediate liquidity constraints against long-term institutional adoption trends. Meanwhile, the federal response to financial crime has escalated dramatically. The FBI launched Operation Riptide, a 60-day offensive targeting cybercrime networks responsible for $20 billion in online fraud losses. This surge represents a 26% annual increase in victimization rates, forcing law enforcement to act with unprecedented speed. The operation aims to dismantle the infrastructure supporting these illicit transactions, signaling a new era of aggressive federal oversight in the fintech space. On the macro front, inflation data has reinforced the Federal Reserve's higher-for-longer stance. The May Consumer Price Index rose 4.2% year-over-year, matching expectations and leaving little room for monetary easing. Consequently, markets are pricing in no interest rate hike for June. The bond market reacted swiftly, with 10-year yields hitting 4.5%. This yield level underscores the tension between persistent price pressures and the central bank's commitment to price stability. In related news, corporate strategy is shifting toward defense and security. A major Norwegian defense firm announced plans to more than quadruple its revenue. This aggressive growth target is driven by new product development and rising global military spending trends. The company's pivot highlights the broader economic realignment toward national security and geopolitical resilience. Looking ahead to today's release, the economic calendar remains relatively quiet with no major high-impact data points scheduled for the next 36 hours. Traders are likely to focus on technical levels and regulatory headlines rather than fundamental macro shifts. The absence of significant data releases allows the market to digest the recent regulatory and inflationary developments without immediate disruption. The convergence of strict state-level crypto bans, federal cyber operations, and sticky inflation creates a complex environment for investors. Regulatory clarity is still emerging, while monetary policy remains restrictive. Corporate earnings and strategic pivots, such as those in the defense sector, offer alternative avenues for growth amid uncertainty. Market participants must remain vigilant as these narratives evolve. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour With AI for daily market intelligence.